And guys, from Kisinuma Channel, ang akong patod, Engineer Rene Sulamo.
We are here in Kasyawan,
Okay, ikaw.
almost near to Kaburihan and next to what is Kanibungan. At the moment we are here in the residence of our beloved friend and relative, the former General Pablito Cordita. We are here in front of his residence.
Okay guys, maraming salamat itong mga nag-ano ako, nagsusubaybayan akong channel, Kisinuma Channel. Ani na kami, lampas na kami pinaka Minkasyawan, lampas na kami. Pero ang puntaria namin ngayon, ang ano namin, Kasyawan Falls, mga kanto kami. Makita lang kami.